these things ezokumachana bomachini match is useless because azikho lento abazenzayo and they will never achieve anything. Right now I'm in Jozi, the same day they are marching here in Jozi. I want to show you something. It's business as usual. I can't also change. And these people, they are failing to understand when I keep on telling them that I are just wasting time. You march now, people open their businesses and nobody harass them. South Africans go and support these shops. Even police themselves, they go into these shops and get help. So I don't know what you guys are talking about, man. Of course, yeah, where they did close. Oh yeah, where they did close some of these shops. But a majority of them, they are not. They are not. These ones, of course, yeah, bavalile, but nisbonile zinye as valuan. So you need to be aware that these marches will never achieve anything great. It's just a bunch of people running around. That's what it is. And there's nothing more to it. It's just a bunch of people running around. People go back to working. Of course, Lana chose Lana wins with construction. And that's not the problem of the foreigners. That's the problem of the leadership of the government of Gauteng, which is led by the ANC. All of this that you see here, the construction ANC, job ANC, it's not foreigners who are responsible for this. It's not them who dug up this street. So I did tell you, and I continuously tell you, the problem, you don't listen. You think I'm young, hey, you call me kwere, you call me all of these things. And I keep on telling you, these people will never achieve anything because they think shouting foreigners must go, Abahamba foreigner, is what majority of the country really wants. No, that's not the majority of the country. Sure. Nah. Oh, that TikTok. Oh, hey. You see, even me, a fan of mine, they say follows me on TikTok. Of course, I won't say a fan, a supporter. I don't like this thing of say friends. A supporter of mine. Let me show you something. I chose. It's business as usual. It's business as usual. Of course, yeah, there's some other shops as well because some people were scared. But yeah, people marched, wachuluga, kwenza yonkinto, running up and down, abanye abantu bathathe namalifu kuyemsebenzini, badangeke sayemsebenzini, thinking that today will be the day that foreigners go. They lied to you when they told you those guys are gonna chase foreigners. Mina bafethu ngiyantshela kusa say no. They will never chase foreigners. They don't have the capacity, they don't have the capability, they don't have the ability, they don't have the understanding as to how do you actually chase foreigners. Labantu laba ba rente kula ma flat lawa. Ba rente ma flatini. These flats are owned by white people. All of these shops of foreigners you see all around here. Zipatali rent kula ma flat wa belungu. La ma flat wa belungu, they pay the municipality. These flats owned by white people have deals with the municipality. So if you want to threaten these white people's companies by threatening to chase away the people who are renting shops underneath in their flats, you're messing with big people's business. The same way this thing of foreigners renting hijacked buildings, you're messing with serious people's business. That's why abanye abantu they eliminate you, like a case we saw at the other time. But I'm still around. Of course, guys, don't get me confused. There's other shops that didn't open because bathukile. But these shops are not closed permanently. They just didn't want, if these people pull up, then balute ma shopping wabo. They didn't want that. They didn't want their shops to be looted. But these people marching is not a clear message for the shop owners to close their shops. Hence why I'm sure you saw here it was trending. Ngasikdala was trending. These people were here. They were here. Trend. Hey, batosha labantu laba base Kerk. Now Kerk ivuliwe now. Kerk. Badlulile bongizwe. They marched here. They did gimmicks. Now Kerk is back in business. South Africans are buying. Kumnandi, this business as usual. So it's a joke because some people believe these are their heroes and these people will be the one to chase foreigners. The only people who can chase foreigners is the government. And by the look of things, the government is not implementing systems. Chasing foreigners isn't just putting them in buses. It's building borders. It's creating new laws or amending the current laws that exist of immigration and change those laws, to not be so accommodating to these people. But if that is not being done, okhuluma nokrasa and my emotion won't change anything. Unfortunately, that's the harsh reality of the situation in Jozi. But if I believe it, just watch. After 2 days, Jozi will be back to normal. The same way KZN is. Danko.